guys, don't pay any attention to my eyes. This is some color corrector, but I'm coming on here because I'm going to be installing Outre Bahamas Curl for the first time. This is my first time trying this hair out. I got 5 packs in the color number 2, and they're 14 inches. So this is like a 4-in-1 crochet. First off, I want to show y'all my hair pattern, because I never show my hair pattern on here. I got 10 braids in the front. Well, I never go into it. 10 braids in the front, struggle braids, and then this is my back pattern. I love to do this because my hair is on the thinner side, and it helps conceal that, so I don't have this huge part. So if your hair is on the thinner side, this is a good braiding pattern for you. So I'm finna get into what the hair looks like. This is how it's looped. It's looped just like this. So this is what the loop looks like. I hold my hand up. It's some YouTubers that make fun of people who do this, but y'all see, like, you could see it clearer once I put my hand up there. But this is the loop. It's like this little rubber band on here. If you don't want to have that on there, you can just take it off. And I just popped it off just like that. I pulled it up just a little bit, I popped it off. And then this is just what it looks like without. Okay, I love to start with the back of my hair. Y'all look so crazy with this red. But I like to start with the back of my hair, but I'm going to show you guys basically how I crochet hair in. So, I'm gonna take the latch hook. I'm gonna start over here. Make sure it's closed, because when it's open, you put it in there, it gets snagged sometimes. But see, close it though. So always make sure it's closed when you are putting it in your hair. So I'm gonna take that, put it under my cornrow. I'm going to take the crochet hair, place it on there, close the latch hook, pull it through, and then I'm going to open up the hair with my 3 fingers like this, and then I take this hair right here, and I like to knot it anywhere for between 3 to 5 times. It depends on the softness of the hair. Like if the hair is super duper soft, then I knot it 5 times. And then once I did as many knots as I wanted to do, I'm just gonna pull it tight just like that, and there you go. You're gonna have that. So I'm gonna finish the back of my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys how I do the invisible method, because I struggle with it, but I got it down now. But I'll be back, y'all. So also, if you want to keep the band on there, because you don't have to take it off, what you're gonna do is you see the band here, you can pull it down just a little bit to open up this hair just a little bit more, right? You're going to take the latch hook like normally, place it on the crochet needle, close it, and you're gonna install it like normal. Okay, close it through, and this band that's on here, I'm gonna pull it up. I can pull it up just like that. And this way the hair, it won't be slipping and sliding on your braid, okay? Shout out for the 4-in-1. We like an easy crochet install. Okay, now I'm gonna be back for real.
Flip. when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. Sweet, sweet honey. Sweet.
Okay, y'all, so I'm done with the install. This is what we're looking like. I did the invisible method. I'm gonna attempt to try to like shape it up a little bit, because you see it's just like whoosh. Honey, I said attempt to, because every time I try to do that, it don't be working right. Maybe I should just leave it alone. Hold on, let me just see. I ain't finna do it, because listen, I'm gonna tell y'all, every time I try to do it, I end up messing it up. So I am gonna like trim these little straggly parts over here a little bit. I'm not gonna cut too much off though. Install so freaking easy with the loops that's already on our Outre. I love you for this, yo. Made it so easy because the hair can actually stay in place for the ones that I did loop. Now I did, for the invisible method, I pulled the loop off, the little rubber band thingy, and then I pulled the hair apart. I made 2 strands to achieve the invisible method. And yeah, so that's how we got right now. That rubber band on there though, game changer. Game changer. I think this is my first time using this hair. Like, this is what the hair looks like, y'all. This was $5.99 a pack of premium fiber crochet hair, 1 loop. So four strands come on the loop, which is why it looks so full. I used the 5 packs of hair. This is how much I got left. So y'all stay tuned for a review. This is the color number 2. I feel like it's a little darker, like more like a 1B, but because y'all know some color tools, it be looking low-key black, and then you get a color tool that's like brown. So I appreciate you guys for watching. To see more videos like this, just hit that subscribe button. Yeah, y'all, but I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.